Dear students, this is part 6 of linear equations in two variables. If the point 3, 4 lies on the graph of the equation 3y is equal to ax plus 7, find the value of a. So, in this one, x is 3 and y is 4. Okay, so what can we do? So 3, what is y? Y is 4, put that 4 here. That is equal to, then a, what is x? X is 3, x is 3, then plus 7. So now 3 into 4, 12, that this one becomes 3a plus 7. Okay, next step is what? 12 minus 7, that is equal to 3a. So that means 5 is equal to 3a, and what is a? 5 by 3. Okay, so this is the answer for this one. So simple, but when you look at the question, it looks very different. Okay, that's nice. So we'll go to the next question. Yeah, this one. What is the answer? How to do this one? Okay, so let me tell you one thing. Okay, here for the first 1 kilometer, the taxi is charging 8 rupees. So for the first kilometer, what is the rate? 8 rupees. And the total distance traveled, what do you say? Total distance traveled. Total distance traveled. Total distance is what? It's what? Some kilometers, maybe 10 kilometers, 8 kilometers. For that we say as x. Okay. Then for every subsequent kilometers that is traveled after the first one, for that what is the rate? So subsequent kilometers, that means after the first kilometer, subsequent kilometers, how much is the rupee? Is rupees 5. Okay, rupees 5. So this is the condition. Now we have to form a equation. Okay, now the total fare is what? The total fare, we say it as what? Total fare is, we say it as, okay, y. Okay, so now this is the thing. Before that, without using this x and y, how shall we do it? So that one, see, for the first kilometer, how much rupees? It is 8 rupees. Okay, then suppose I travel for 10 kilometers. So first kilometer 8 rupees, then balance 9 kilometers. What is the rate? That is what? Okay, each kilometer is what? 5 rupees. Every kilometer 5 rupees. Okay, so then how many kilometers are there? 9. So what is here now? 8 plus 45. So the answer is 50. This is the amount we have to pay. This is the amount we have to pay to the taxi driver. Okay, so now this is a simple way of doing. How to use a formula. How to use a formula. So what do I say is, for this one, okay, this one is fixed. Okay, first 1 kilometer, that is called, the rate is what? Fixed. This is fixed. Okay, then what about the next one? It is variable. This is 9 kilometers, what? This is variable, because this will change. Okay, suppose I travel 10 kilometers, it is 9 kilometer. If I travel 11 kilometers, then this becomes 10 kilometers. Like that, is variable. Okay, so now since it is fixed, let me put that amount as 8 plus. Then what about here? Here is, what is the price for every kilometer? Is 5. Then what is the total kilometers we have traveled? That is x. Then when you say x, the total kilometers, then what we say now? Suppose we say in this situation 10 kilometers. So 10 minus 1 is what? 9. Okay, because 1 is already taken here. So 10 minus 1 is okay. Now what is the total number of kilometers? 10. So what is that called? That is called x. So x minus 1. Okay, shall we put that one here? X minus 1. Okay, when you do this calculation you get the y answers. Okay, so that means what? 8 plus 5 into x is what? 5x. Then 5 into 1 is what? Minus 5. So that is equal to y. So then what? Then 8 minus 5 is what? 3. 3 plus 5x is equal to y. Now from the problem we have arrived at a equation. This equation can be used how many kilometers if you travel, any number of kilometers you travel, you can use this formula to get the answer. Okay, that is very nice. Okay, shall we find three solutions for this one? Shall we find three solutions for this equation? Okay, so let me erase this one. Please hold on a minute. Yeah, I'm just deleting things. Okay, now see here. Okay, what is the equation now? Y is equal to 3 plus, sorry, okay, 3 plus 5x. Okay, so now passenger number 1, suppose passenger number 1, he traveled for how many kilometers? He traveled for 4 kilometers. Okay, passenger number 2, he traveled for 3 kilometers. Then passenger number 3, he traveled for 2 kilometers. Now what is the total fare? How much you have to pay? Okay, how much you have to pay? So how to find out this? We can use this formula. Okay, in the first situation is 4 kilometers. So that means what? Y is equal to 3 plus 5. The place of, so this is called, all these are all x, all these are all x. So 4. Okay, now the answer is what? 3. Okay, plus 20. The answer is 23. Okay, so this is the first one. What about the second one? Y is equal to, second one, 3 plus 5. What is second? 3 kilometers. So 3 kilometers means what? That is 3 plus 15. So total 18 rupees. So he has to pay 18 rupees. The third one, y is equal to 3 plus 5 into 2. That means what? 3 plus 10. So that is 13. So 13 rupees. See the how after forming the formula, after forming the equation, it is very easy to calculate. You just type the x value, you get the y answer. Okay, you get the y answer. So now how many solutions are there for 3 passenger? 3 solutions. Now what are the solutions for this equation? The solutions are 4 comma 23. When x is 4, then y is 23. Then when x is 3, then this is 18. When x is 2, then this is 13. Now this is called what? 3 solutions, that is x and y. Now we can use this data to draw a linear equation, and we can draw a linear equation graph. Using this one we can draw the graph. So I think means the previous lessons you have learned about this one, so we can do it. Okay? Bye.